ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingthoh kam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Umentri rang ba ka Jilao Conrad kes sang ma na ka Ïakren Nonghikai vocational courses ha ka Shatri jang ka Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union bagi yeng lembat ki plakat ha surok jaya ula Hiar na kakali ban kran yaki. Umentri rang ba ha ka tekapor udang wan na ka Jingalang ai buram ya ka sarkar jalan na Madan Students Jayao ya ka bala Khot panlong da ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association bat ka Meghalaya Food Teachers Association namar ka Jingpen long ka sarkar ya ka Structured Pay Framework ka Jingwan ra jingada bat ka Jingbet Jingbiang Ïakren Nonghikai na kini ki Art League Association. Kinoilam ka Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union kamhashwa kila syakang ha kibor penyat bat kibor pulit jak East Khasi Hills District karba gidang temu bantur sya ketega Jingalang. Kumta na ketega jing syakang gila apsa yo Conrad bat kumju yo Menteri Ketenat Education hasurok jayau hadu bandawai ke Jingalang. Ha ke Ïakren bat kinoilam ka Union Menteri rang ba ulaong ba unsa Khot Ïakren bat ki.
Come. Please tell me. What happened?
So we are from Vocational teachers.
Tell me.
So I'm the president of the union.
So what's the issue?
Our issue is that our
In
demands
the pay
are still
structure?
pending. Yeah. We are from Vocational Education.
Do you have the papers? Does Commissioner Secretary and Education Minister aware about
We
this?
have already submitted everything right from 2026. Right from this year we started, but we haven't.
Let me go through this. I'm not aware. So many issues are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm not very much aware. I'll get back to you. Your contact number is here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'll try to work. Okay? We try to help as much as possible, whatever is within the limits.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'll do my
Sir,
best.
let me.
Okay. Right. See you guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ni siap men ba UCM mulai hari dalade nakali pania kendu yang ni te adin bangi lepen i records bagi like bala de submit Shaki office nadu director secretary education minister bat hadu CM ngila de submit tang bang 4 jot lat ban ya kendu ya i tang sisin ru bat education minister pabalong i serakam tangila bun ya kendu bun sen i bat ki directors bat ki officers lay ngimla tang banyaw ka nosin ngi kendu iki te apa ban penkut ba ba ICM la he dalade la kendu yang ni ngila dap ai ki Jingthoh ai te yang insa kontak yang ni ngin spek kai la ban le la dakim kemudian la dakim Khot ini nang na hadin ngi sang meeting biang te ngin spek kai ngi la ban le dawa tengin dawa bai ngin continue bai ngin teng bai hadu bangin dayo mabangi don hak banyo empat ong ai empat ong ai empat ai assurance yang ba instant contact ini hadin kata ngin saya shang meeting yang ba let's say bon kam plate empat poi let's say empat poi ke suka file jongi tang ba ko kala slam ngim laban api kata tengi kat ba kenai kes ngi kedai ke ba ba ini bangin wan pen i ma ba ni don hak ni don go hak ban yo ya ka pay structure kumba ki yo amna office level ni la dep submit na slam ha ta ho CM ki records bangila dep submit miswa tangila dep ai te contact number jong ni jong akum presiden la dan ai te in call nga na office jong ki jong gumta te sepet kumno kono ga yai ka kam sa update biang ki
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpanyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lan ni ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya